Welcome back, students of 6th class. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher. Friends, in this video lecture, we will cover some questions, exercise, as well as examples question of chapter 7. Okay, and the chapter name is decimals. So here this is the exercise 7c, but right now we will solve a couple of questions of example of exercise 7c. So we take question number 3 here as the question. As you can see the question number 3 on the screen, that question says a man covers a journey by a car in 3 hours. He covers a distance of 64 km 324 meter during the first hour, 58 km and 56 meter during the second hour, and 62 km 8 meter during the third hour. What is the length of his journey? Friends, one thing is very common. That means we have to find the length of his journey, means the journey that man covered. That means we have to add the total distance, and this will give us the final answer. So hence we can add all the distance that covered by the man. So friend, see first, right, because the distance covered during the first hour, right, distance covered during the first hour. Okay, and the distance given 64, and the given distance is 64 km and 325. Here the 64 kilometer and 324 minute. So this could be written as 64.324 km. I hope you will understand. Now see the next, distance covered during the second hour. Okay, now right, distance covered during second hour is equal to 58 kilometer and 56 meter. 58 kilometer and 36 meter. So this could be written as in the decimal form 58. Friends, remember, if you want to change this meter into kilometer, that means we have to divide 36 by 1000 and you will get 0.36 kilometer. That means total kilometer 58.036 kilometer. Okay, now see, sorry, 56 is the 56, and this could be also 56. Now the distance, next distance covered during third hour is equal to given 62 kilometer and 8 meter. 62 km and 8 meter. Friends, we are going to write all the distance in terms of kilometer. So this is kilometer. Now change this 8 meter into kilometer. So 8 divided by 1000 and we will get 0.008 kilometer. So add this kilometer to 64, that becomes 62.008 kilometer. Now friend, add their values and add their values. So hence we can write hence the length of his journey, hence the length the length of his journey is equal to this distance plus this plus this. Write on 64 point, and we have to write as a column base that you already know. Now 58.056, this is 62.008. now friends, add. This is 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 8 18. So 8 is here, so 1 is balance. Add 5 plus 2 7 plus 8 8 is 8. Okay, now this is 3. Here the decimal. Add 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 is 4 is here, 1 is balanced. Okay, 6 and 6 12, 12 plus 5 17 plus 1 18. So this is total kilometer. This is your answer, friend, and this can be written as, this could be written as in terms of kilometer and meter. So this is 184 is as kilometer, and here this is 388 meter. So this is your final answer. I hope you will understand. Now see friends, question number 5, example question of exercise 7c. Question number 5 says, the weight of an empty gas cylinder is 18 kg and 75 gram. The weight of the gas contained in it is 12 kg and 350 gram. Okay, what is the total weight of the cylinder filled with gas? Means total means we have to find all the weight. That means add total weight. If you add all the weights, we will get the answer. So here also we will add all the values of all the values. Okay, now see friends, the solution. First, write the weight of an empty cylinder, not the given, since weight of an empty cylinder, weight of an empty cylinder is equal to 18 kg, remember, and 75 grams. So friends, this could be written as 18 point. Why? Because 75, now we have to change all the values in kilograms. Here is the 75 gram, and you know friends, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Means this is the gram. If we divide 1000, if you this number by 1000, we will get the kg. Okay, and this could be written as 0.075. okay, if you add this, becomes the total kg. Okay, I hope you will understand. This is kg. Okay, that means we can say the weight of an empty cylinder is 18.075 kg. Similarly, the weight of the gas filled in it, the weight of the gas filled in the cylinder, that means in the, is equal to, here is the written weight, now 12 kg and 350 grams, 12 kg and 350 grams. So this could be written as 12 point, this is already, if you divide this number, becomes the 0.350, add this becomes 350, this is kg. Okay, now friends, add their values. Now the required, we can write hence the total weight of the cylinder, write hence total weight of the cylinder filled with gas is equal to this plus this. So write down 18.075 plus here the point, this is 12, here 12.350. now add the values, here the 6, 12, 1 is balance, this is 4 decimal, and this is 0 and 3. That means 30.42. here is the 6, just a minute, sorry, this is 5. okay, here is also 5. this is kg, and we can write as this is 30 kg, because the whole number part will indicate 30 kg, and this is decimal part will indicate the 425 grams. So hence the total weight of the cylinder filled with the gas is equal to 30 kg and 425 grams. This is your answer. I hope friends you can solve all the examples from question example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5. okay, now friends, let's start. Now friends, let us see the solutions of the solutions of the questions from exercise 7c. okay, now see question number 10. now as you can see the question number 10 on the screen friends, and the question says a man purchases an Almirah for rupees 11,025 and gives 172.50 rupees as it's charged at his cartage and spends 64.80 rupees on its repair. How much does the Almirah cost him? Very simple question. We have to add their value. Now friends, see the cost of Almirah, only Almirah cost is 11,025 rupees, and the cartage cost is given 172.50 rupees, 50 rupees, and repair cost is 64.80 rupees, and we have already written over here. okay, now we have to find the how much does the Almirah cost him. That means suppose the person is purchased Almirah and he will spend for the cartage and repairing. How much cost Almirah for him? That means we have to add their rupees total, means total amount. Now the hence we can approach hence the total cost of Almirah for him, hence the total cost of Almirah for him. Add their values all 11,025. But remember, this is the only whole number parts. This is whole number, and we can write after the point the 0, 0. There is no matter. This is rupees. Now add. This is whole number part is along whole number part. If you remember, because we have already done the previous exercise and so many questions adding. okay, and this is right, this is whole number part is are along the whole number part. okay, and the decimal part are the along decimal. Now add their value. This is rupees, rupees, and rupees. Add their value. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 by 13, 3, 1 is balance, and now this is 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 5, 10, and plus 2, 12, 2, 1 is balance once again. Now this is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, and 10 plus 6, 16, 16, 16, 6 is here, 1 is balance once again. Now this is 1 plus 1, this is 2, and this is as it is 1 and 1. 11,262.30 rupees. This is your answer. So finally the cost of Almirah after spending cartage cost and repairing, we will get 11,262.30 rupees. This is the answer. okay, now next question. Now friends, see, if you look at the every questions from 9 to 14, then there is one thing is very common, means we have to add all the values and we will get the answer. That means these are the addition type of questions. okay, in question number 9 we have add their rupees. In question 10 I have already solved just a couple of seconds ago, and 11th number is same, add their distance values, 12 is also add their numerical values whatever they given. And in question number 13, add their total length. We have to find the total length of the cloth, means add the 2 meter 70 centimeter plus 2 meter and 60 centimeter. Okay, now see the question number 14. The same question number 14 says Radhika bought 2 meter and 5 centimeter cloth for her salwar and 3 meter 35 centimeter cloth for her shirt. Find the total length of the cloth bought by her. So friends, one thing is here is the total means we have to add. Okay, now see question number 4, very simple question. First of all, write the whatever the given, the thing is given, and you can see the question on the screen also. Radhika bought 2 itna clothes of her salwar. Now the length of the salwar, we can write the length LENGTH, the length of salwar is equal to 2 meter and 5 centimeter. So this number could be written as friend 2.05 meter. Why friends? Have a look. This is the meter. If you write that in terms of only meter, then this is meter already. So this 5 can be changed into meter, means 5 divided by 100, because 100 is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is why we divide. This is meter, this becomes the meter, and this will give us 0.05. If we add 0.05 to this meter, we will get 2.05 meter. Okay, now the next thing is given the cloth for the her shirt, the length of the similarly the length of shirt SHIRT is equal to 3 meter and 35 centimeter. So this could be written as in meter 3.35 meter. Now add their values, because we have to add their values. Add, this is 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1 is balance, 3 plus 1 this is 4, and 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 5, this is meter. That means 5 meter and 40 centimeter. This is your final answer. Hence we can write the total length of the cloth bought by her is equal to 5 meter and 40 centimeter. I hope you will understand